we need one ball of water and a few things. This will float in the water and this will sink in the water. See. I made a volcano for this experiment. I used a plastic bottle and balls of newspaper. I pasted the bottle and balls of newspaper around the bottle. Honey, oil, water and some food color and one empty glass. First we need one empty glass and put some plenty water in it. We will put a soda in the balloon, then put balloon in the vinegar bottle mouth. See the reaction. Reverse the picture with water. The arrows are right side. When we put some water inside, the arrows are left side. Day and night experiment. Do you know? Our earth rotates slowly and slowly. When there is day in half portion of earth, then there is night in other portion of earth. How to do walking water? And we wait for a few hours. You will see that the water will start walking. I have an empty glass. In empty glass, I put on my ear. I hear some sounds because glass has air, air has pressure. Wine versus water. First we will take glass and put some water in the glass. Now we have color. Then we need to put color in the glass. I have put the color. Now we need to take cooking oil. I will put some cooking oil. Cooking oil is up and the water is down. How to make rainbow in the home? First we will take the tissue paper and color like this. Then we will put in the water. See, the rainbow is growing. Salt. Then I put some pepper. Now we give it some soap. Let's see some more. Water surface texture. We have water, black pepper and liquid soap. In the water, I will put all the black pepper in the water. Now I will take soap on my finger and put it in the water. Wow, density of lemon. Oh, it's float because of the density of water is light. There is some water stored behind the leaves called green. Let's touch the plant. It closes. Now the green has all dried up because of the pressure. Keep paper dry underwater. Material required: a big bowl of water, an empty glass, and a piece of paper. Look, the paper is still dry. Observation: this is because of the air in the glass. Air pushes against the water as the glass is submerged and it keeps the paper dry. Thank you.